Now guys, guess what I'm working on today? Biasi. Yep, you guessed it. Hi guys. I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi boiler. If your boiler is broken down, give us a call. That's our number there. Biasi boiler, and guess what code is coming up with? 01. Ignition issue. Yeah, I wonder what that is. Let's sort that. Check if the gas valve is open. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Right, so let's press the reset. Right, so what the boiler is doing, right, goes through its ignition process 3 times. It ignites the burner and then just goes off. So after 3 attempts, it goes off. What do you think is wrong with it? Now pause the film here and just put it in the comment box what you think is wrong with it. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham, South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Biasi, Worcester, Bosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Now, I'm going to the detection electrode first. Because the boiler ignites, the burner comes on and it goes through its process about 3 times. So that eliminates the electrode, the ignition electrodes, the gas valve, more or less circuit board as well. So I'm going to the detection electrode and we're going to check that out first. Right, let's have a look. Is it? Oh, look at that. It's faulty. It's broken, man. So no wonder the boiler is staying alight. Right, so I bought some new ones. We're gonna put them in and we're gonna test it out, and hopefully it'll be working fine after that. Hot.
Oh, hot, yeah.
Yo, it's working brilliant.
Yeah, so good.
Guys, working on this Biasi. The detection electrode was faulty on it. We've changed the detection electrode, so it's working fine now. So if your boiler is broken at Birmingham, South Birmingham, give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Guys, just done a boiler repair at the Walk on Brays Road in Sheldon. Just done a repair for them, and hopefully they'll give me a review. Guys, just done a repair at the work center, and my friend here wants to give me a review.
This guy is so best guy, you know?
Oh, it's so kind. See, that's brilliant, huh?